What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another Reshoevn8r sneaker cleaning challenge, guys. And this time, the shoe is gonna be brought to you by Untied Hawaii. That's right, he went ahead and dirtied a first-class Air Jordan 1. I haven't even looked at it. As a matter of fact, I don't even have the box here. So can I actually get the box, please? We're gonna unbox this on camera.
Speedy delivery.
Thanks, Victor. Woo! That was faster than the Amazon package, bro. I appreciate you. All right, guys, so we haven't opened this box. As you can see, it's still sealed. And I have a little blade here that was provided by me by Vic, or provided to me by Vic, I guess you should say. And I'm excited to see what it looks like. So without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this box up. So this box has actually been sitting on my desk for like, I don't know, 2 weeks now, 2.5 weeks. And I haven't smelled anything, so that's a good sign. Oh, it's in the box, okay. Let's go ahead and just take off the box. I mean, let me pull it out. I'm actually kind of nervous. Should I put my hands in there? I'll flip it over. All right, guys, it's out of the box, flipped over, peanuts are out of the way. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. I'm gonna open it your way, so if anything pops out, jumps towards you. Ooh, actually, I don't see any bugs, so that's great. But these are crazy. What happened to these? No bugs. We got the extra laces though. As you can see, guys, these are super dirty. Like, it's pretty bad, but I'm not worried, guys. I'm actually pretty excited to see what these look like after I'm done cleaning them up with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. So for this video, guys, I am gonna only clean one side so we can show you before and after. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the right shoe and put the left one on the side. Now, the first step, guys, as always, remove the laces. Now, guys, because there are chunks on this shoe, what I'm gonna go ahead and do before cleaning them off is I'm gonna dry brush them with the medium brush, try to get as many chunks as I can off, and then I could go ahead and start the cleaning, and then the shoe tree before the cleaning. But I just don't want the water to get like super muddy. So I'm just gonna take the medium brush here and just try to get as many chunks as I can off. All right, guys, so I'm done hitting the shoe with the dry brush. Unfortunately, there are some chunky like dirt marks that are just not coming off with the brush because they're just stuck on there. So I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and move on with the cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab our adjustable shoe tray here and adjust it to size. These are a size 11, so it's gonna be about there. I'm gonna put inside the shoe. And what that's gonna allow me to do is apply more pressure on this toe box, and it's also gonna help reshape that toe box and get rid of those creases in there as well. Cool, now before I start the cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw that on your side, Keegan, hope you don't mind. Put the shoe back. Let's go ahead and grab our bottle solution here. I'm gonna pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water, and then I'm gonna start the cleaning using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, real quick, one thing I do want to point out is, as you can see, I've already hit up the entire upper leather with the soft bristle brush. Now, one thing I want to mention is whenever you're cleaning a shoe that has 2 different type of materials, such as this one where it has like a leather upper and then a mesh tongue, As you can see, like the bubbles from when I was cleaning it were obviously dirty and they had dirt and they got on the tongue here. Now what I would recommend doing is patting it dry and not letting those bubbles get on this mesh, because it's gonna be a little difficult to clean. And in addition to that, I would either rinse out the brush and dump out the water and get new water, or you can just pat it dry with a towel just to make sure all the bubbles are out. For this, I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it with a different brush, a soft brush here. I'm gonna use the same water because I'm not too worried about the water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning that tongue. So there you go, guys. The tongue is now hit up and clean, as you can see. Now there are still a little bit of like dinginess, but I'm not too worried about it because the laundry system should go ahead, flush out all that dirt and get it out while it's in the wash. Now the next thing I am gonna do, guys, is move on to the uppers using the medium brush. Now I believe the stitching on this shoe used to be white, but now it's dingy and like that brown kind of color from the dirt. So I am gonna use the medium brush to try to get a little, you know, deeper scrub in that material, and then I'll move on to the midsole and outsole using the stiff bristle brush. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, now that the shoe is all pre-treated and ready for the wash, I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. Let's go ahead and grab our laces here. Now these are really disgusting. So you wanna make sure you just go ahead, dip them in your bowl of solution and water mixture. All right, guys, now that the laces are now pre-treated, normally I would put them inside of the shoe and then put them in the laundry bag, but for this instance, I really want these to get clean, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna grab the laundry bag, put them in first, then I'm gonna take the shoe, put the shoe inside the laundry bag. Here you go. I'm gonna lock it up. Now let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, now time to put these in the wash. Then just go ahead and drop them in there like so. If you have a little hatch that you can put detergent in, go ahead and do that. If not, it's okay to put it inside of the machine on the shoe. It's not gonna hurt it. You always wanna make sure you use normal cycle cold water, and that's it. And then you wait and come back. All right, guys, I am back. It's actually been about a week since I started the cleaning on these shoes, but I went out of town for SneakerCon and I am back, so it's time to wrap it up, guys. As you can see, guys, these cleaned up really, really good. Look at the before and look at the after. It's honestly night and day. However, there are a few things that I do want to point out, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but these laces, they are unfortunately a little stained in certain areas here and here. Now, I'm sure I could have got it, you know, even better clean, but we don't have the time, so unfortunately I didn't do it. One other thing is the stitching. Now the stitching on here, once again, like I said, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is a little darker. I'm assuming it was white before. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see it before, but I'm assuming it was white. Right now it kind of looks like that brownish kind of dirty color. But overall, guys, I am super satisfied with the results that we got using Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Before I go, I want to give a major shout out to Untied Hawaii for trashing these shoes, giving me a little challenge on it, But even though I wasn't able to get the laces fully clean and the stitching is a little dingy, I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a major W. What do you think, Keegan? Did we win this one? It's a W. Go ahead and leave me a comment, guys. You think I took a W on this or an L? I'd like to know your guys' thoughts. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that way you're a part of the Reshoevn8r Nation. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Woo! Let's get